The next one says, what is the 100th term of an arithmetic sequence that begins 6 and 11? So I'm probably going to be using that explicit definition just to make my life easier, unless you would like to plug in 98 other terms, which is, go you if you want to, but ew, I don't want to. So I've got this explicit definition which says I've got a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, which is just going to be my common difference. Well, a sub n is the one that I'm wanting to find, so that's going to change into being a sub 100, since that's the term number I'm trying to find. N becomes 100. A sub 1 should still be that first term, which in this case is 6, plus, well, if n is 100 over here, n needs to be 100 over here, minus 1 times d. Well, what am I going up by? Well, 6 to 11, that's a difference of 5. So my common difference in this particular case will be 5. From here, all I gotta do is simplify. So all in all, I should get 501. Neato. Next part, what are the second and third terms of the arithmetic sequence? So again, I see that I've got some terms. It's up to me whether or not I want to use explicit or recursive, but I don't exactly know my common difference off the top of my head, so either way I'm going to have to figure that out. And unfortunately, I don't have really a sub 2 to probably help me out with finding out what my difference is, so I'm probably going to be using my explicit definition. So my explicit definition again is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, well, it's probably helpful to identify what the heck a sub 1 is. A sub 1 is 100. A sub 2 is just that spot right there. A sub 3 is just that term right there. And then finally, the only other number that I have is a sub 4. So, in order to try to find probably what d is, I'm going to have to use that a sub 4. So, that's going to go in with my n. So, I've got a sub 4 is equal to a sub 1 plus n. Well, if n is 4 over here, it also needs to be 4 right here as well. So I've got 4 minus 1 times d. Well, we don't know what d is. That's kind of the point. But we also know what the heck a sub 4n and a sub 1 is, so I can plug those in to help me out. So a sub 4 is that 82 equals a sub 1 is that 100 plus 4 minus 1 times d. Alright, and now it just becomes an algebra 1 problem. We got this. So it should be... got negative 18, subtracting that 100 over, equals 4 minus 1 gives me 3 times d. So then d will be negative 6. So my common difference should be negative 6, which means that each time over here I should be going down 6. So subtracting 6, I should get a sub 2, which should be 94, and then subtracting 2 again, or subtracting 6 again, I should get 88 for a sub 3. And then subtracting 6 again, I should get that 82, which means that I found the right numbers. Cool beans. Alright, if we have an arithmetic sequence that's missing a single term, we don't have to do all that. We can use something called the arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean of two numbers is just x and y found by averaging the two numbers. Alright, and we will do that in the next video.